How to fix your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart in Windows 11. First, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Next, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. You can also go to either the Nvidia, AMD or Intel website to download your graphics card software. Once you're on your software, make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date through your software. Next, you want to go to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. You want to see in this list if you have any faulty hardware or drivers. Look for devices with a yellow exclamation mark. You want to either update, disable or uninstall the device that's giving you a problem. For the next method, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once we're here, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.